Welcome to WEX Online, our proprietary online system that helps you manage your fleet card program for optimal efficiency. With WEX Online, you can assign access to as many users as you'd like. Whether 1 or 100, they'll all have the ability to perform various functions depending upon the level of access you've assigned. From managing vehicles and drivers, to setting purchase controls, to reporting and financials, you'll have the tools to manage your operations right from your desk. Welcome to the WEX Online homepage. The site is designed to make it easy for you to navigate through your account. Use the navigation links at the top to access modules to manage cards, drivers, create detailed reports, and more. The My Account section shows your credit activity and credit limit. You can see how your account is trending towards its overall credit usage. Global Search lets you choose to view one card, driver, vehicle, or authorization profile, regardless of where you are in the site. Account Explorer lets you go right to the account you need to manage. Click View to see your entire organizational structure, or use the search field to navigate directly to a specific account or region. Let's take a closer look at a specific account. The Fleet Manager section has a dashboard format that allows you to make updates in an efficient, time-saving way. Authorization control profiles allow you to edit one profile, and if you like, have that change automatically impact all associated cards, whether one card or 1,000. In other words, you can say goodbye to manually editing drivers or vehicle records whenever there's a policy change. This is true for editing card, vehicle, driver, and any other control profiles. Do it all from the Fleet Manager page. Now, let's look at the data management capabilities in the Financials module. Data is critical to managing your fleet card program. The Financials module allows you to set up, append, and edit additional data elements to meet your organizational needs. It provides transaction-level data for time, product, merchant, vehicle, and driver information, and ties it back to your organization with data that is specific to your company. In addition to Level 3 data, you can add defined accounting code fields at the account, card, driver, and vehicle records level. Define what should be entered and whether it's required or not. Once the codes are added, the system appends your additional data so you can monitor activity. You can also define and assign accounting profiles to one or more accounts. Leverage these profiles to specifically tailor the data capture needs of an individual account or group of accounts. The Transaction Management feature gives you quick access to individual transactions and allows you to update pertinent data. You can edit organizational defined accounting code fields even after the transaction has taken place. In addition, you can mark transactions as reviewed or for follow-up for ultimate management control. Once proper data tracking is established, you can review and retrieve information in several ways. Let's look at the Reporting module to learn more. WEX Online provides the most robust reporting suite in the industry. From quick information at the individual card level to comprehensive account organizational level reporting, WEX Online does it all. The Ad Hoc section lets you generate reports that are downloadable into Excel or CSV format. Use this tool to analyze transaction level detail or to view transaction summaries and purchase exceptions. All reports contain standard Level 3 transaction data and appended accounting codes. The My Flexible Exception feature helps define your purchasing exception criteria. You can monitor transactions as they post to the account and determine if they have broken the exception rule. When an exception occurs, you will be notified via email. Custom Reports lets you delve into the details and create reports on authorizations, transactions, card, driver, and vehicle reports options. Incorporate standard data as well as your defined organizational accounting code information. The wizard-based process lets you create real-time reports or schedule reports to gain insight into your program's performance. Real-time alerts notify you when your preset purchasing limits have been exceeded. Alerts can be sent directly to your email or mobile phone and housed in the Report module for monitoring. Resource Tools provide you with one-click access to accepting locations, plus pricing information and specialized directories for diesel and alternative fuels. Our fuel price mapping provides recent transaction pricing information across the U.S. Because we process millions of transactions each week, you get real-time information to help you make low-cost fueling decisions. The Top Metro Fuel Index can help you understand regional variances and pricing trends. Our diesel and alternative fuel directories let you locate difficult-to-find fuel types and determine the most efficient fueling location. The Administration module lets you limit or broaden system access. You can provide your employees with access to different sections as you see fit. This allows them to focus on their specific responsibilities without allowing complete access to the system. Using this module, your fleet administrator can add new users and manage existing users plus online enrollment requests. This lets you decide who gains access and what level of access is allowed. Management responsibility is shared, but the administrator has control over access privileges. The automatic pump shutoff feature helps enforce fuel budgets by giving you greater control over your fleet spend at the transaction level. Control how much a driver fuels per transaction, per day, or per week. That means you control purchase activity and can respond to changing budgets. For example, if you've set a fuel transaction limit of $75 and your driver attempts to fuel over that limit, the pump automatically shuts off. Suppose the following month fuel prices go up. You can set a higher fuel transaction limit, maybe $80, and the automatic pump shutoff will kick in at the higher price. The real-time alert feature can proactively keep you on top of driver spending. You can set real-time email or text notifications to let you know when a driver spends outside of your corporate purchasing policy. You can receive alerts on your mobile device or desktop as activity occurs. This ensures you can take appropriate action to curb unauthorized use and address misuse through policy changes. You can customize your program in whatever way helps you manage your fleet more efficiently. You can assign multiple vehicles to a single driver or vice versa. You can manage to the driver, assigning them a personal identification number to track purchases by the driver. Or alternatively, you assign the personal identification number to the vehicle, which allows you to track purchases by vehicle. Create any combination that is best for your fleet. Customize your program and make your reporting easy and intuitive.